Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to attach files to tasks on Asana. This is a key skill that can enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. First up, navigate to the specific task where you want to attach a file. Once you're in, look for the Attachments section. This section allows you to add any relevant files or documents directly to the task. Now, click on the Attachments button. This is your gateway to linking all necessary files to your task. After clicking the button, you're going to select the file you want to attach. You can do this by browsing through your device's folders or by dragging and dropping the file into the Asana task. The reason we do this is to ensure the file is correctly linked to the task, making it easily accessible to anyone working on it. Once you've selected the file, click on the Upload button. This step is vital because it finalizes the attachment process, ensuring that the file is securely added to your task on Asana. Now that we've done that, you'll see your file listed under the Attachments section of the task. This helps us because it serves as a visual confirmation that the file has been successfully attached. Next up, you might want to add a comment about the attachment to provide additional context for your team. To do this, just type your comment into the comment box and hit Enter. This will attach your comment to the file, giving your team more insight into why the file was attached or what it contains. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully attached a file to a task in Asana. This process is not only easy, but also crucial in keeping all task-related files in one place for easy access and better organization. Thank you for tuning in. And remember, mastering Asana can make your project management a breeze. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll be an Asana pro in no time. Until next time.